So if you've designed your product in Fusion 360 and you've used the part design, so like when you've done a new design like this, you've gone and used a part design, what you're going to need to do in order to convert this to components in order to make this into an exploded drawing is the following. So you're going to want to come over to the browser and you're going to come to document settings right here. Go down to where it says part design and click on this pencil. When you do that, you'll see this little window open and it says the design type is part. Change that to hybrid and then click convert. Now you'll see down here that it says hybrid design. Now you can go on to the bodies, right click on the bodies and create components from bodies. And now you've got your components, and then you can come down here to animation, do your exploded drawing like this. Here we go, there's my exploded drawing, done. I can then do my regular drawings from design. I need to save this first, so example. Click OK. So there's my part that I made. Those are my components. And then I can click OK. I can add my animated drawing by clicking on base view. And then instead of model here, I can use storyboard. And now I've got my exploded drawing. There you go. That's how you can make that exploded drawing in the new Fusion. Thanks for watching.